students, in today's lecture we'll see the problems based on calculus of variation. The problem is find the extremal of the functional integration x1 to x2 y1 y dash square minus y square plus 2y into secant of x in dx. Solution. So the given integral I will take, that is x1 to x2 y dash square minus y square plus 2y into secant x into dx. So here f is y dash square minus y square plus 2y into secant of x is the value of f here. Now using this we apply what here by Euler's equation. So Euler's equation is given by dou f by dou y minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash equal to 0. So this is a Euler's equation. So we'll apply the value of f now. So it is dou by dou y of y dash square minus y square plus 2y into secant of x minus d by dx of dou by dou y dash of y dash square minus y square plus 2y into secant of x equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0 we have as per the differential equation. So now we'll see. So this bracket we need to differentiate partially with respect to y. So y dash square with respect to y it is 0 minus y square, partial derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y plus 2 and secant of x is a constant, partial derivative of y with respect to y is 1 minus d by dx of partial derivative of y dash square is 2y dash minus partial derivative of y square with respect to y dash is 0 plus 2y secant of x is a constant. So with respect to y dash this is also 0 equal to 0. Now on simplification, so this bracket will become minus 2y plus 2 secant of x minus d by dx of 2y dash equal to 0. So again on simplification, minus 2y plus 2 times secant x minus d by dx of 2y dash will become 2y double dash equal to 0. So again on dividing by 2, so we'll get here as minus y plus secant x minus y double dash equal to 0 on dividing by 2. On rearrangement, so y double dash plus y equal to secant of x. So we got a differential equation, so which can be written as this differential equation. So this is what here ordinary differential equation, and to solve this we need to apply variation of parameter, or I can say that method of variation of parameter. Okay, so what this method says we'll see, and we'll simplify this differential equation now, ordinary differential equation now. Now that above differential equation, that is y double dash plus y into secant x, so this can be written as d square y plus y equal to secant of x. So take y common. So d square plus 1 of y equal to secant of x. Auxiliary equation is, means it will become only d square plus 1 equal to 0. So which implies d square is equal to minus 1, or d is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1, which is nothing but plus or minus square root of minus 1 is nothing but I, plus or minus I. So this is what here we got complex root. Okay, this is what here complex root. So therefore our complementary function, it is given by, for the complex root, it is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This is a complementary function. So here in the variation of parameter we need to consider as, let y is equal to a cos x plus c1 will consider a cos x, c2 will consider b sin x. So this is the method of what here, variation of parameter. So this will be a solution, I can say that. So we'll consider this will be what here, this will be solution of ordinary differential equation where a and b are functions of x, functions of x, be careful. And this a and b can be determined by using one of the standard formula. What is that formula? We'll see. So here we need to collect. So this is a place a into cos x. So cos x is what here, y1 value, and sin x, y2 is what here, sin x. So this cos and this sin will consider as y1 and y2. So y1 and y2 are the solution of the homogeneous equation. So this is the solution for homogeneous equation. So here we need to find y1 dash. So differentiation of cos is what here, minus sin x, and y2 dash, differentiation of sin is what here, cos x. So we need to find Wronskian, that is w. So w is nothing but, it is given by the formula as y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. So this is the formula for w. So it is nothing but, so w is equal to, so y1 is here, y1 is cos x, y2 dash is cos x, minus y2 is sin x, and y1 dash is minus sin x. So on simplification, cos is cos square of x, minus is plus, sin x into sin x will become what here, sin square x. So cos square plus sin square identity, it is 1. So I can say that finally w value is 1. W value is 1. So with the help of this y1, y2, y1 dash and y2 dash and w, we can find the value of a, capital A and capital B. So what is the formula for capital A and capital B? We'll see now. And also, so what we have the right hand side here. So right hand side is what here, secant x. So this secant x is nothing but this secant x. So this secant x is nothing but phi of x. And also phi of x is equal to secant x. Now we'll see the formula for a and b, capital A and capital B, and that capital A and B, once we get the answer, so we need to replace here and here, a value and b value we need to replace here. So let's see what is the a formula and b formula. So So A formula is given by minus times integration of y2 into phi of x divided by w into dx, and B formula is given by integration of y1 into phi of x divided by w into dx. So we need to find one by one now, and we know what is x1, y2, phi of x and w. So we'll see one by one now. So A is equal to minus times integration y2. So y2 value, it is, if you see here, y2 value is sine x. I will write it sine x. Phi of x is nothing but secant of x. W value we got 1 into dx. Similarly, B value, I will write the formula. Y1 value, it is cos x. Phi of x is secant of x, and w is 1 into dx. Now we'll simplify. Therefore, A is equal to minus times integration of sin x into secant can be written as 1 upon cos of x into dx, which is nothing but minus times integration. Sin divided by cos, it will become tan x into dx, which is A equal to. So now finally, so integration of tan minus, as it is, integration of tan x is minus, integration of tan is log of secant x plus arbitrary constant k1. Similarly, we need to find the value of B also. So B is nothing but integration of cos x, and secant is nothing but 1 upon cos of x dx. So cos cancel. So B is equal to integration of 1 into dx is dx. So therefore B is equal to integration of dx with respect to x is x plus another arbitrary constant k2. So therefore we got the value of A, we got the value of B. So therefore the solution is, y is equal to A into cos x plus B into sin x. So we need to replace the value of A and B now. So the value of A we got minus log of secant x plus k1 of cos of x, plus B value is x plus k2. This is the B value, x plus k2 into sin x. Open the bracket. Y is equal to minus times cos, minus log secant x into cos x. It will become minus cos of log of secant x plus k1 into cos x plus x into sin x plus k2 into sin x. So on rearrangement, y is equal to k1 cos x plus k2 sin x minus cos x into log of secant x plus x sin x. So this is a required solution of the given functional, and here we have taken the help of method of variation of parameter to get the extremal of the given function. So in this way we need to simplify the problems based on calculus of variation.